Hi guys, it's Sweet Pelly here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make this super creamy hair butter. A few weeks ago, I posted a short video about how to make your own hair moisturizer, and this is the full video. Please, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. Drop a comment down below if you're gonna try this hair butter. So let's dive right into it. In a bowl, I have some crushed fenugreek seeds. I did this myself. You can just use the seed or just crush the seed a little bit before using it. So I'll go ahead and add some few seed in a bowl. I used about 3 tablespoons of the seeds, yeah, depending on the quantity that you want to make. So now I'll go ahead and add avocado oil. As I said earlier on, depend the quantity that you want to make, add more oil. And also you can use any oil, avocado oil, almond oil, coconut oil, etc. So after adding the oil, give it a quick stir, cover the bowl and let this sit for 24 hours, or you can do the double boiler method. Hey guys, so after 24 hours, the infused oil is ready. Shake it or give it a quick stir, and then after that, strain the oil. Separate the oil from the seed using a tea bag. This tea bag will help you get rid of any particles getting in the oil. Now that the infused oil is clear, no particles in there, I'll set that aside. It's time to melt down some butters, and I have here some organic shea butter. I got the shea butter from Tea. She sells black soap, organic shea butter. Her prices are very affordable. Her packaging so cute. Delivery service very fast. She is in Germany, so if you're watching me and you want to purchase some black soap, shea butter, just drop a comment down below and I'll connect you to Tea. So let's move on. I have about 78 grams shea butter. That's the first butter that I'm using. The next butter is mango butter. Yeah, and I used about 27 gram mango butter. Depending the quantity that you want to make, use more butters. Yeah, and also you can use just mango butter for this recipe or just the shea butter. You don't need to combine two. Good. So I'll go ahead and melt those butters together by placing the bowl in a hot water on a low heat, okay, for 10 minutes, just for the butter to melt down. And then after melting the butter, mix the infused oil with the melted butter. So the next step, after mixing the infused oil and the butter, give it a quick stir. Yeah, this helps to both oil to combine, and then transfer the oil in another bowl. Cover the bowl and place the bowl in the freezer for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, the butter is ready. As you can see, it's not that hard. It should be medium soft so that you'll be able to whip it. Go ahead, use your mixer, whip the butter for about 5 minutes until you get this fluffy, creamy butter. look how creamy the butter looks like. This butter here, this hair butter contain a lot of vitamins. The avocado oil contain vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin E, and the fenugreek seed also contain vitamin B, vitamin C. All these vitamins are good sort for hair growth. It's gonna strengthen your hair strand, your hair root. It's gonna prevent your hair from damages. It's gonna help your hair grow very fast. So if you're still watching this video till this very point, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, go ahead, share the video. And if you're gonna try this fenugreek hair butter, then drop a comment down below and let's have some conversation. So keep on whipping until you get this fluffy creamy hair butter. You can go ahead and add some fragrance of your choice like orange, just to give the butter some good smell. And also you don't need any preservative because there's no water in here. Yeah, so after whipping, go ahead and transfer your butter in your bottle. You can pipe it. I'm not really good at piping, I'm still learning. Yeah, so you can use dry spoon, scoop the butter in your bottle and keep it at a cool place. Use it anytime, anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.